You checking out? Let's go. Right here.
Over here. Oh, Daddy.
Come on. Oh.
No, go get your ball. No, not that. I don't know what that is. Here.
Right here. Let's go in this. Hey, Olivia. Olivia. Let's go right here in this aisle.
Come on.
Let's check out. Let's go.
No.
Yeah, we gotta buy it.
Home.
We're gonna buy it.
We're gonna bring that home.
You gonna take that home? She just wants to keep shopping. Olivia, 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 do you want to buy that and take it home? You want to take it home? No? You want to leave it here? Alright, say bye-bye.